Hey friends, I'm Libby from LuxCups.com. I want to show you how our pin locks work. They come in a pack of 7, and they're just going to replace the rubber or metal backs that your pins typically come with. So you'll just pop those off and replace them with these pin locks. They click right into place. These are great because you can use on any pin you already own. They work great on fabric, backpacks, lunch kits, laptop bags, messenger bags, purses, anywhere that gets quite a bit of wear or is bumped around quite a bit. To remove them, they have a little spring-loaded plunger in the back. So you'll pull that part out away from the front and it will pop right off. I like to use my finger to steady the front. So you'll pull that plunger out away from the front and it'll pop right off. If you need a set of these for you or for your precious pins, you can get them on LuxCups.com.